Hello everyone, and welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. Today we will learn how to change the color appearance in Safari on your iPhone, so you can adjust how the browser looks and make it more comfortable and visually appealing while you browse. Safari's appearance can slightly change based on system settings, and you can also control whether the browser adapts its color to websites or stays more neutral depending on your preference. To get started, open your Safari app on the iPhone. Once it is open, scroll all the way down to the very bottom of the start page until you find the Edit button. Tap on Edit to open the customization options. After entering the Edit menu, scroll further down until you see the background image option, and make sure to turn it on. Before continuing, take a moment to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more quick and helpful iPhone tips and tricks like this. Now, once the background image option is enabled, you will see a few choices available. You can select from the built-in customizable wallpaper options provided by Safari, or you can choose a photo directly from your own gallery if you want something more personal. Simply tap on the image you like, and it will be applied immediately. After selecting your preferred background, just exit the menu, and the changes will automatically be saved without any extra steps needed. Your Safari background will now reflect your selected image whenever you open a new start page. That's it. You have successfully learned how to change the Safari background on your iPhone. If you found this helpful, feel free to explore more tutorials for additional tips and tricks.